Welcome to our video on YouTube automation and its incredible potential for generating passive income. In today's digital age, many people are looking for ways to earn money while they sleep, and YouTube offers a unique opportunity to do just that. In this video, we'll dive into what YouTube automation really means, how it works, and the steps you can take to set up your own automated channel. We'll explore the various strategies that successful YouTubers use to create content without being on camera or spending countless hours editing. You'll learn about the tools and resources available to streamline your process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your audience and increasing your revenue. Passive income is essential for financial freedom, and YouTube can be a viable source if approached correctly. Imagine waking up to notifications of new subscribers and earnings, all from content you've set in motion. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to harness the power of YouTube automation to create a sustainable income stream. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Understanding YouTube automation. YouTube automation refers to the process of streamlining video production and channel management to minimize manual effort while maximizing output. This concept is particularly relevant in today's fast-paced digital landscape, where content creators are constantly seeking efficient ways to engage their audience without sacrificing quality. By automating various aspects of your YouTube channel, you can focus on strategic growth rather than getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty of video creation. One of the primary benefits of automating video production is the ability to produce content consistently. With the right systems in place, you can schedule uploads, manage comments, and analyze performance metrics without being tied to your computer. This not only saves time but also allows you to maintain a steady flow of content, which is crucial for audience retention. Several tools and software can facilitate YouTube automation, such as TubeBuddy and vidIQ for optimization, as well as platforms like Canva for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Additionally, video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro can be used in conjunction with automation tools to streamline the editing process. By leveraging these resources, you can effectively manage your channel and focus on growing your brand while enjoying the benefits of passive income. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is a crucial step toward achieving success on YouTube. A well-defined niche not only helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace but also attracts a dedicated audience that is genuinely interested in your content. When you focus on a specific area, you can tailor your videos to meet the needs and preferences of your viewers, ultimately leading to higher engagement and growth. There are several popular niches that have proven to generate passive income, such as personal finance, health and wellness, technology reviews, and travel vlogs. Each of these areas has a vast audience eager for information and entertainment, making them ideal for monetization through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. However, while it's tempting to jump into a trending niche, it's essential to consider your own interests and expertise. Creating content about something you're passionate about will not only make the process more enjoyable but also resonate more authentically with your audience. Take some time to reflect on what excites you and where your strengths lie. By aligning your niche with your interests, you'll be more motivated to produce quality content that can lead to long-term success on YouTube. Content creation strategies. Creating engaging content is essential for attracting and retaining viewers on your YouTube channel. One effective strategy is to focus on different types of content that lend themselves well to automation. For instance, tutorial videos, listicles, and compilation videos can be easily produced with minimal manual effort. These formats not only provide value to your audience but also allow for efficient content generation. When it comes to scripting and video production, clarity and engagement are key. Start by outlining your main points and crafting a compelling hook to grab viewers' attention within the first few seconds. Use storytelling techniques to make your content relatable and memorable. Incorporating visuals, such as graphics or stock footage, can also enhance the viewing experience and keep your audience engaged. Consistency is another critical factor in content creation. Establishing a regular upload schedule helps build anticipation among your viewers and fosters a loyal community. Whether you choose to post weekly or bi-weekly, sticking to your schedule will signal to your audience that you are committed to providing valuable content. By implementing these strategies, you can create engaging videos that resonate with your audience while efficiently managing your YouTube channel. Monetization methods. monetizing your YouTube channel is an exciting step toward generating passive income. To enable monetization, you first need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program through your channel settings, allowing you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. There are several revenue streams available for YouTube creators. The most common is ad revenue, where you earn money based on views and clicks on ads shown before, during, or after your videos. Additionally, sponsorships can provide significant income, as brands often pay creators to promote their products or services in their content. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option, where you earn a commission for promoting products and directing viewers to purchase through your unique links. Successful channels like Pat Flynn's Smart Passive Income and Marcus Brownlee have effectively utilized these monetization strategies. Pat Flynn combines affiliate marketing with educational content, while Marcus Brownlee leverages sponsorships and ad revenue through tech reviews. By exploring these monetization methods, you can create a sustainable income stream from your YouTube channel. Promoting your channel. Effectively promoting your YouTube channel is essential for growing your audience and increasing engagement. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook allow you to share your videos, connect with viewers, and build a community around your content. Regularly posting updates, behind-the-scenes content, and engaging with your followers can significantly boost your channel's visibility. Another crucial aspect of promotion is SEO optimization. By using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can improve your chances of appearing in search results. Creating eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video descriptions can also entice viewers to click on your content. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help you identify trending keywords and optimize your videos for better performance. Collaboration with other creators is another effective strategy for expanding your reach. Partnering with fellow YouTubers allows you to tap into their audience, introducing your channel to new viewers who may be interested in your content. Consider guest appearances, shout-outs, or joint projects to create mutually beneficial relationships. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively promote your YouTube channel and foster a growing community of engaged viewers. Analyzing performance. Understanding your channel's performance is vital for growth and success on YouTube, and YouTube Analytics is your best friend in this journey. This powerful tool provides insights into key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and demographics. By familiarizing yourself with these metrics, you can gain a clearer picture of how your content is performing and who your audience is. Using data from YouTube Analytics allows you to make informed decisions about your content and strategy. For instance, if you notice that certain videos have higher audience retention rates, consider creating more content in that style or on similar topics. Analyzing traffic sources can also help you understand where your viewers are coming from, enabling you to focus your promotional efforts more effectively. Regular performance reviews are essential for adapting and growing your channel. Set aside time each month to review your analytics, identify trends, and assess what's working and what isn't. This proactive approach will help you stay ahead of the curve and continuously improve your content. By leveraging YouTube Analytics, you can refine your strategy, engage your audience more effectively, and ultimately achieve greater success on the platform. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of YouTube automation and its potential for generating passive income. We discussed the importance of selecting a profitable niche, creating engaging content, and utilizing effective monetization methods such as ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. By leveraging tools and strategies for automation, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on growing your audience. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take action. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us create more content that can guide you on your YouTube journey. Don't forget to explore our related content on the channel or visit our website for additional resources and tips. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing channel, there's plenty of information available to help you succeed. Remember, the key to thriving on YouTube lies in consistent effort, strategic planning, and a willingness to adapt. Thank you for watching, And we look forward to seeing you in our next video as you embark on your YouTube. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.